Today, we're looking at My Hero Academia, All Might in particular. All Might is a fictional character in an anime called My Hero Academia, in a world where 80% of the population has some sort of special ability called quirks. People who use their quirks for justice are called heroes, and those that use their quirks for destruction are villains. All Might, once quirkless, inherited a quirk called One for All. With his determination and quirk, All Might rose to become the #1 hero. It is not easy being at the top, especially as a hero, as you'll run into the strongest villains, and they will